Hello, welcome back. So I'm going to open some Legos that I bought in the Lego store. Some funny things. It's actually very fun. So this one, let's see what's inside. So the first thing that I bought is a Lego cup. So it's blue and it's really cute because it looks exactly like the ones the Lego characters are holding. And it's really nice. Like it looks exactly like it. So there's blue and red. But the reason why I chose blue is because there was no red in the Lego store, so I choose the blue one. I'm planning to use it as my toothbrush cup, like when the cup that you use when you're brushing your teeth. So anyway, that's the logo Lego written on the bottom. So this is the blue cup and I'm really satisfied with it. I think it looks so cute. So let's see what's next. So this is gonna look like some decoration. So I wasn't really planning to buy it, but I accidentally dropped it and it cracked open. Like it didn't break, but it cracked open. So my mom said, oh, like we'll buy this one. So that's how this thing became mine. So it looks like it's made in 2017. So my guess is that this is some sort of old Lego because I've never seen this one in Lego stores and like online Lego shops. There was also this like golden version and there was also a blue one and there was also another one to make a small Lego house. So the blue one looked quite pretty, but actually to be honest, there was nothing special inside the blue ball. But this one, I think it's nice because there's lots of golden bricks inside it and it's golden bricks are quite rare, isn't it? Maybe not, I'm not sure, but maybe it is. But it's actually quite complicated to like open this ribbon because normal ribbons, if you if you like just like pull it, it just like opens. But this one, I think it's like some like tied with some things, so I think it's a bit complicated to open. So I think I should just like cut them. So yeah, I think so. So actually turns out it was two yellow ribbons, not just one, and there are some stickers over here, so we also have to open the sticker, I mean get rid of the sticker. And look, we have so many sparkly pretty golden bricks. This looks so good. I bet it would have been very useful if I had this one while I was making the Huntrix Girls golden version clothes. Oh my god, this looks so pretty. I'm planning to make a pretty looking pyramid, so put some more golden colors. Looks so pretty, doesn't it? I think it looks amazing. Wow, it's cute. And we got some transparent yellow ones and some kind of like brown colors as well. So we've got like 3 colors over here. Oh wow, it looks pretty. Oh wow, okay, so let's put some more transparent yellow pieces. This looks so nice, doesn't it? It kind of looks like a throne. Yeah, like this. Oh wow. So it's actually just like square pieces. So there's not so many things that you can make with, like it's kind of hard to use your creativity because it's just square pieces. So anyway, there's another golden piece over here. So now I used all the pieces like this. Now it's all finished. Ta-da! Looks pretty, doesn't it? So I broke my pyramid again and then put them back inside the bowl like this. There's like snowy snows drawn on it, so I think it'll be nice to decorate your Christmas tree. I've also got a big Christmas tree, so maybe I'll hang this on top of the Christmas tree. Okay, so I'm trying to make this ribbon over here, but you know what? Making ribbons are not very easy. So kind of like this. Yeah, kind of like this. There you go. I think it looks okay like this. So I made a yellow ribbon like this. Okay, now it looks okay. So there you go. And like put this on top of the cup. This looks really funny, doesn't it? So now for the big one. So this isn't actually what I bought. This was like one of the gift with purchase. So this is one of the gift with purchase that I got in a Lego store. And over here, there's also Korean written on it over here. That's very nice. Okay, so now what are we waiting for? Let's start opening it right away. But you know what? I think these are some old ones, but like these heads are also cases and there's also some bricks like cabinets Lego brick cabinets, and you can like stack them together. I think it's really cute and that's really awesome. Okay, so let's open this box. So this box is actually quite big and I was really surprised by the size. It's actually really big. So okay, let's see what's inside. So of course, oh wow, this is actually really big. So okay, let's say this is a big head and it's really like it's really empty inside, of course. So this case was like random. There was also a Lego man and a woman, and there was a man that was like sticking his tongue out. And I thought like the one that's sticking his tongue out looked very cute, but I got the woman and her lipstick color is actually really like really funny. Like it's really red colors. So we can like open her head and we can put some Lego things inside. I think it's really cute. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video and I'll come back with other videos. See you next time. Bye bye.